Okay, this is my absolute favorite resharper shortcut. Let's say we want to select this string here. The pro way of doing that is to put the cursor here and using Control, Shift, and the right arrow, select one word at a time. It's very slow, takes forever. What's a better way? Press Control and W. There you go. Now this Control W is very powerful because you can hold the Control key and press W to expand the selection. So now I'm holding down the Control key and I press W and one more time. So see, the entire line is selected. And I'm still holding the Control down and I press W again. Now the entire body of the method is selected. And one more time, the method itself. And one more time, the class that contains that method is now selected. So, see? And if I press it again, now the class declaration is also selected. One more time, the namespace. One more time, the entire file. Now if I made a mistake and I want to shrink my selection, I press Control, Shift, and then press W to shrink the selection. One more time, one more time, one more time. So as you see, with this, you never have to go and select a method like this. It's very slow. Just put the cursor anywhere, Control W, that's it. I also use this often when selecting arguments of a method. For example, let's say we want to select this bit here. I can put the cursor anywhere on this argument and Control W, that's it, selected. One more time, both arguments are selected. So make use of Control W as part of your development. Once you get used to that, you're never going to select code without Control W. It's extremely powerful. Now let me show you another case where it's extremely powerful. So let's say we have an object like this. So we have a line of code with lots of object initialization. In this case, when I look at these curly braces, it's not quite clear which one belongs to the initialization of which object. But with Control W, you don't have to worry about that. So let's say I want to select this new table initialization. I put the cursor anywhere here, Control W a few times, that's it. Now if I want to select the list that this table is part of, again, Control W, there you go. Or if I want to select a restaurant that has this list of tables, again, Control W. And perhaps I can cut that and then create another variable here like restaurant and paste that here. So it's very, very fast way of selecting code. I hope you enjoyed this lecture and thank you for watching.